You're watching Gmodism, and today I'm going to show you how to remove all saved passwords in your Google Chrome browser for security reasons. Gmodism. Open your Google Chrome, and then you'll go in the top right corner and click the three dots. Inside of here, you will go to Settings. Inside Settings, you have something called Autofill. Click the Autofill. And here we have Password Manager, Payment Methods, Addresses and more. Click on Password Manager. And down here you can see I've installed the plugin for my Password Manager, 1Password. So this basically disables the offer to save password. If your plugin doesn't do that, or if you don't have the plugin, just check this thing so you can disable to save passwords. Then you will uncheck Auto sign in from here. Now you can remove some of your stored passwords here, but it's a better way to just go over to Privacy and Security. And inside here you can see Clear Browsing Data, click that. And here we can scroll down and you can see Passwords and other sign-in data, check this. We also have some information that can be sensitive in the autofill form data. You can see I've got a credit card and some other 68 suggestions. And this is something you should absolutely move to your password manager, so check this as well. Now, there is also some of this information can be stored in cookies and other site data. So you will click the cookies and other site data in order to remove the traces of such sensitive information. While we're here, we might as well clear download and browsing history. Then you can just check clear data. And if you don't see all that, it's because you're on basic. Click advanced if you're not automatically here and change the time range to all time. This is quite important. And when you've done that, you just click clear data. And you now can close down your Chrome browser and restart it. And now all the saved passwords and sensitive data is gone from your Google Chrome. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you liked this video, please leave a like and do subscribe to keep tuned to the Gmodism channel, Tech Tutorial Tuesday, remember that. So hopefully this helped you to remove the saved password in your browser, and if you move over to a password program solution like KeePass, 1Password, all of them, it's much more secure and you'll be better off. So in any case, we're gonna end this video off here, so hope you enjoyed it. This is Gmodism, we're signing out.